All right, now we are on to slide 10. It's already set up in the slide, but I'm going to go ahead and set it up again. For synthetic division, we are just going to copy the coefficients exactly like we see them, remembering to keep the signs. They're all positive. Now, K is different because we are going to flip the sign. It's going to be a -3. That's very important and often forgotten. Another thing that's also important is to bring down the 3. That's often a step missed. After that, we are just going to multiply the numbers on the outside. We got -3 times 3 is a -9. And then we just add down. So 12 plus -9, or 12 minus 9, equals 3. Again, we are going to multiply the numbers on the outside again and get -9. We add down. 10 plus -9 is 1, and now we finally get a different number on the outside. We're still going to do the same thing, though. We're going to multiply -3 to 1. -3 times 1 is -3, and then last I'm going to take my 8, add -3 to it, or it's like saying 8 minus 3, which is 5. Now, the question is determine the remainder. So the remainder is 5.